Nothing better than being out here early in the morning. That's why I love waking up early. No one's awake. Some people are, but for the most part, people are sleeping. It's peaceful. Morning time, 5 a.m., early wake ups, sunlight in the eyes, and grounding. That's a mixture for just feeling amazing. It's almost like a cheat code. It's almost unfair. Because when you get that sunlight in the eyes and your feet are where they're supposed to be, you get this energy boost throughout the whole entire day that no one can compete with. Just soaking in that sun this morning. Gonna hit some breath work, and then I'm gonna get a lift in, lower body today. It's a beautiful day. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna get after it. This is the breathwork spot. Practicing breath work, because a lot of us are not breathing correctly, a lot of us don't breathe enough, and a lot of us are breathing very shallow. So being conscious of your breath, practicing it is super powerful. So I make it a priority every single day. Got that breath work in, grounding. Now it's time to get in a lift. Let's run it up. Warm up is done. Now it's time for the workout. Workout is done. Let's go to the ocean. Back at the beach.
I want to feel what you wanted. I want to feel by the morning. I want to feel what you wanted. Oh, let me feel what you are.
Not bad at all. This is my favorite place to work. Working outside, maximizing the sunlight. It is a beautiful day. I think I've said that about 30 times in this video already, but hey, I'm gonna say it 30 more because, well, you know. So, working outside today, enjoying that beautiful sunlight. Guys, there's nothing better than just being outside, which is why I love this place and I love the summer. It's just a good time to be alive. So today is mainly client work and also sending out some emails, getting ready for my trip, which I will be talking about in the next coming videos because it is coming up very soon. September 14th, I head out. Gonna be very much out of my comfort zone, but that is what we're big on in these videos. Right now, like I said, working, and then I'm logging off at like 3 p.m. Gonna do an ice plunge. Weirdly, one of my favorite things to do because it is so powerful in strengthening your mental, your physical state, and just your awareness of everything. When you hop in that plunge and that cold water and you get out, you look at the world in a new light. The big benefits for me go even deeper than the physical. 3 reasons why I love to get in ice water. Gets me out of the comfort zone. When we get too comfortable, we become less human and we become more fragile. So I like to get uncomfortable every single day. The ice plunge is the best way to do that. Number 2, it has to be the physical benefits, of course, because you get shredded when you're in cold water. It is a known fact, if you're even doing cold showers every day, you're gonna see yourself losing body fat. Benefits, of course, with your skin, with your physical stamina, all that good stuff. And number 3, dropping into a mental state that you can only achieve through hours of meditation, or that you can achieve through 5 minutes of cold exposure. So it takes about 5 minutes for me to get into a state of bliss, to get in a state of euphoria. I just feel this incredible rush over me after I do the plunge, and it's just primal, just like yelling. It's super funny. The neighbors probably think I'm a psycho, but it's an incredible way to get back to our roots, because at the end of the day, we're all human. We run away from the rain when it rains. We run away from the cold when it's cold. But what if you were the one that were to go into that cold, to go into that rain, to go into that ice water? Kind of just saying fuck the norm and just doing what other people won't. There's a lot of power in that. Whenever I go in the ocean during December, January, February, people look at me like I'm a nut. They'll often come up to me if they're walking on the beach in coats and winter clothes and say, why are you doing that? And all I say is it makes me feel incredible, because it does. So if you guys are looking to get into a practice that will completely change your life, and I promise you, if you practice this for over a month, your life will change. You will be a different person. You will be able to handle stress more, because there's nothing more stressful than getting into an ice bath. There's so many benefits that go deeper than the physical. So enough of that. Let's enjoy what this day has to offer. All right, package is secured. 9 bags of ice. In the car, we're about to get chilly. Let's roll. Let's go. Rocks on the feet, pressure points, very nice. All right, and the last bag is going in. Got a nice thick layer of ice in there. It's just a little bit of ice, that's all it is. Just hit that 5-minute plunge, feeling incredible. Actually, I feel terrible right now because I'm trying to heat up, but the sun's helping a lot. Mark's up. We're getting it going.
It's gonna be brutal.
New day, new morning, which means it's time to get in that plunge this morning. We got some ice left over. It's still very cold, so gonna hit some breath work, then hop in the plunge. That's how you start your morning. It feels beautiful. 10 minutes. We're going for it. 30 seconds left. Definitely cold, but I'm just tapped in. At this point, I could go all day. This hurts, but it's a good hurt. There's the bell. Okay. Wow. Ocean swim is done. Guys, this morning started the day with just mobility, foam rolling. So that's a practice that I do every single day. Foam roll the body, whole body, little massage gun, just get the body warmed up, get things moving, get the blood flowing. From there, breath work, meditation, and then right into the ice plunge. It was in the 30s today in that plunge, so it was definitely cold. Good way to start the day. And then I went right into the ocean, rode the bike down, jumped in there, got out, came back up, outdoor shower, then laid out in the sun. Saturday, taking my time, enjoying myself. And now, I'm gonna take some Shilajit, or Shilajit. This is the one that I take, something I'm starting to take now. This helps to remineralize the body. If you're a male, incredible for testosterone. It helps overcome chronic fatigue, tiredness, so you're super, super energized when you have this stuff. You do not need coffee, you can just take some of this. Also extremely good for skin health, for those moments where you're breaking out like I am on the forehead. It's great to have some of this stuff. I'm enjoying this morning. Gonna do a sauna session, infrared sauna at 1 p.m. So probably gonna hit the grocery store before that, then hit the sauna and feel even better. Got some green tea going in the background, waiting for that to steep. We're Feeling good. Just finished that sauna session, feeling very good, still sweating. Detoxes the body, improves mood, improves circulation. I am a big fan of the sauna. Now I gotta rinse off in the ocean. Let's rinse off this sweat. All right, that is the end of this week's video. Stoked to be able to bring it to you. This was a day/2 days in my life on Cape. Nothing better than this beautiful, beautiful place. I say it in every single video, but I'm just a big fan of Cape Cod and the vibes that it has to offer. The green, everything about it is just beautiful. So I'll see you in the next video next week, where we're gonna have some fun as well. But for now, I'm gonna get back to work, back on the computer. It is a good day. I'll see you in the next one.